The prompting goes a long way. I've seen courses safe on how to prompt. I've joined some webinars online where people I saw somebody's prompt very if you're on Twitter, you see people dropping prompts mostly photography and all those things. I saw one prompt down to all those ratio, angle, the angle of the sunlight. I'm like, this is crazy.
This is the para now. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Behind the Build, and it's a wonderful day today. I have my very humble co-host with me.
Sure. Wonderful co-host.
Wonderful co-host. Sure, how you doing today?
Good though. Thank God for another episode.
Yeah, so you're looking fresh. Where is this money? They chop AI money.
Yeah.
AI money.
What's the AI money? It's crypto money, I know.
Oh,
crypto money, Web3, not me.
There's AI
That's
money
what
now.
people see out there now.
Like what?
Web3 money,
Web3 money,
crypto money,
Web3 is AI that
box money, and all those things.
Yeah, that's
I don't have AI money. I'm still looking for money. Don't send my empire around, big. This is just packaging. It's packaging. Just I know these lights.
Fake it before you make it.
I'm not faking it. This is the reality.
Reality.
This is what is happening. And these lights are just making it. You know, I'm now yellow again.
Sure, but you get money now.
I don't have
You're making money.
You don't know who is watching this video. That okay. I don't have money. I don't have money. I'm happy. Go.
All right.
Don't chase my help away.
No, yeah, no. But
it's all good.
Yeah, I think we have some interesting things to talk about today. Let's talk about Claude Design. Claude Design is new. Right, Anthropic just launched, and people are going crazy about it online. I've seen people on X, on IG, sending prompts and making cool stuff. So,
the cool stuff let's look at why people that are panicking. that are scared.
We talk about that.
I saw one video, I'm like, this stuff, it was crazy.
Yeah.
Like 3D.
Yes, motion.
Like, I've seen some I saw it. I was like,
yeah.
This Claude Design.
I'm not joking. I don't think it's just Claude Design. I think it's just generally.
For now, I think that like the one that I've seen that this is crazy. Like in terms of beauty, I didn't check functionality. Most of the videos I've been seeing just based on beauty.
I think it's crazy.
And I will not say experience. I think transition. Like the way he moves, all those things. It's crazy. It's very, I will not lie.
It's amazing. So, but what do you think generally about Claude Design? Do you think it will actually put or make some designers job like chase
that? I'll go buy farmland at this point. Farmland.
You have been farming.
Yeah, I want to take our job at this point. But regardless, you still need designer to operate those AI.
Yeah,
they won't run prompt by themselves.
Yeah.
So that's where you need to upgrade your skills. You need to learn how to prompt. So designer is beyond just designing. You need to do your research. As usual, I think you still have to do your research. AI, AI will help you that, but you still need to direct it.
Yeah.
Then it now comes down to how you prompt. Prompting is very important because I've done some prompting, and when the outcome, like maybe Figma, I've not really like used Claude Design. I've not even used it before, but Figma you need to write detailed prompts.
Yeah,
for you to get.
You can even connect your Figma,
library and all those things. Yeah. So I don't even know. I don't really use Claude Design, but I've just been seeing videos of people doing tutorials and people just using it. Like
amazing stuff that people are doing.
But it's mostly websites. I've not really seen someone use it for like full products.
I've seen graphic designs, social media design.
Yeah. Animation and all those things. Fantastic. I think those guys should be scared though. Those guys doing digital design, not like digital, when I say digital agency design, like just website, landing page.
Okay. But do you think it's going to be as creative as designers today, or designer just needs to make use of it as support?
I would not say Claude AI itself had to be creative. I think the person
depends on the designer
writing those prompts. So you have
How
to
you are
be
using
creative for it to be creative.
Yeah, I agree with you.
You get?
I agree.
So if you are not creative, you cannot write creative prompts, and it will not give, because it's
Why you not do?
no. You can write prompts and it will just give you something basic.
Basic prompt.
Or if you write detailed prompt, like you're telling it, let this song come from the east, let it go to the west, like very detailed, like down to shadows, down to typography, down to spacing, give detailed prompting, then I think
makes sense.
it will be very creative. So you still have to be creative as a designer yourself for AI to give you that very, very creative and beautiful design that you want.
Yeah. So, and I really don't think that it will actually maybe run designers out of jobs.
It won't. You just need, as a designer, you need to level up your prompting.
You need to level up your game. You need to use AI generally. It might not just be Claude Design. It might be some other AI tools that you find, right? But you just need to be there. Because if not, then it will actually replace you.
The funny thing is now, when you look at job description, they put AI experience.
They're mandatory requirement.
You need to. So that is when the you leveling up comes in. Learning AI, because if you don't do that, you are the one pushing yourself. AI is not going to push you. You that you will not just get job again. So you're moving out of the own space. So you need to just level up.
Okay. So, but now that you said that it's part of JDs, like job descriptions and requirements, so do you think it's going to be like a challenge for designers that don't use, right? Because if I'm putting out a role now for a designer, I'm telling you, you need to have Claude Design experience or Lovable. You must have really Lovable before. Right?
Yes, I've been there. Yeah.
Do you get? Yeah. So do you think that people that have not used this particular AI tool before, do you think that's it to push them aside?
Like if you use only...
So if you've not used these AI tools before, right, but part of the requirements for a particular job role is having experience with those tools.
Yeah, I think now you need to, anything that comes out as a designer, try it out. Use it.
Okay.
You're already getting familiar with it. So when they ask you questions, you already know. Anything that comes out, just pick it up. You can just write 1 or 2 prompts. Keep it aside. You can show it even when you're doing it. Oh, I did this, I did that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You're already doing something with it.
Sure, as just reference.
Yeah.
Things that you've done before with it.
What do you do? Have you used Claude?
No, not design one particular. No, but I've used Claude.
Yeah, but I've used Claude, but I've not tried the Claude Design.
Yeah, what do you think? I've seen some crazy stuff online that people have done. Like today, I saw one a graphic design social media banners that people created with motion, and I was just like, wow.
So it's general. It's not just
it's general.
Like web design, like Figma make.
There are social media banners that people are creating with Claude.
Wow, so they've come for Canva too. Finally, because Canva came for Figma, so another person is here to choose Canva.
No, actually, I've seen some crazy banners. I've seen some.
So there's no AI Canva for AI on Canva.
I think there is. I don't know. I think there is. We can do that research. Yeah,
check it. We'll just put it on the screen.
Yeah,
check
exactly.
It on the screen.
We do that research and then just to be sure. But I know that Canva has an affinity. The competition for Adobe is now free.
I know someone that I was talking about is free. Like that one is Photoshop and Illustrator.
Only one.
It's similar. I've seen it. It's
similar. I use it.
I
use it. Yeah. I use it now that I've even installed my Adobe Illustrator.
Why are all these guys just going after one another?
Adobe.
Like not even Adobe only. Like they're just going for.
Everybody's competing for the market. They're competing for market. They're competing for usage. Popularity, and and also data. Because the more designers use them, the more we train their AI stuff.
Also, did you see that gist concerning the one of the board member of Figma that left to Claude Design?
That.
So he was with them for some time.
Okay.
So he now left Figma
to go join.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think it was part of the people that came up with the whole Claude Design stuff. I was reading it, but I didn't really. I just scanned through. I was like, yeah,
I think we should do that research and talk about it.
Yeah, I saw it on Twitter.
That's crazy.
I was like, wow. So now they are now going into...
That should be against the law.
There should be policy around that.
Yeah.
You can't just move. Yeah. Carry ideas.
And just carry the whole
because I saw it. I think I have a community too that they spoke about it too.
Okay.
So the guy was with Figma for some time.
Yeah.
Then he left to join
a competitor.
Yeah, competitor. That's the...
I think some companies will have those rules in place already, that if you join that organization and you want to leave, right, it's part of your onboarding contract that you sign, that you have to at least give them a 2 years break.
Yeah.
For you to, join another competitor, else they come for you.
But I think it's a senior.
You have to
regardless, because they are even more exposed to some from tangible information at the top level than even people at the
take it to another, just like a football team as well.
I don't know how true it is, but I saw a discussion around that. I can't validate it.
That's crazy, man.
I can't validate it. Yeah, everywhere now. Yeah.
Yeah, but something I've also noticed is that, something I've noticed is that most AI generated designs are starting to look the same. Or is it just me? It depends on the prompt, right? But, that if 1, 2, 3 people are asking AI to generate an hero section, for instance,
start getting the same.
I
think it has to do with the old database stuff. Where do they are getting? Yeah, the prompt. That's prompting goes a long way. I've seen courses safe on how to prompt. I've joined some webinars online where people I saw somebody's prompt very if you're on Twitter, you see people dropping prompts mostly photography and all those things. I saw one prompt down to all those ratio, angle, the angle of the sunlight. I'm like, this is crazy.
This is the para now.
Things like that to help your results. But if you just say, create this web page, you just have that basic or the generic one that you just mentioned that they're already looking at. I think that's where it comes in, when you start giving it just basic prompt.
Yeah.
So detailed prompt to help with the results
with
and beauty and everything.
How usable it is.
I don't know if Claude Design now accepts library, like the way Figma make, where you can create your own library and feed it in. So it's using basically all your components. So that one alone is, I think Figma did a really great job with that.
Yes. Figma,
so you have your own different system. So I think that one will help even with your prompting.
So let's talk about the limitations of Claude Design and Figma Make.
Okay.
Right, because I know, based on the little research I've done, Claude Design is not accessible to free.
You have to pay.
You have to subscribe. Yeah.
You have to pay.
You have to pay. Nothing good comes cheap. I mean, to make it now is not getting expensive.
How will then I get people's reaction? Because most people, especially from this part of the world, we don't like paying for things.
We don't like paying for things.
But some people are curious enough that, okay, let me just put the money and just get let me see.
Also, the people that created it need to make their money.
Yeah, they need to, but look at the other one we are trying to compare, which is Figma Make.
Yeah.
The free one, you can use it to some certain I think credits.
Yeah, you can use it.
Because I know that one, I use Figma Make very well. So you can use it to some certain limits and do something. But when you pay, you can. So I feel Claude Design should have done the same thing. At least let people use it you can do it maybe for 6 months and just lock it up. At least you can also use it as a research to see how people react to it and things like that.
I read online that some people are saying that they tried it just 3 times and then their credit is exhausted.
Yeah, imagine I'm paying for something I can't even use it to my satisfaction.
So that gives Figma Make an edge over.
Yes, because if it's not available.
Yeah, to everybody.
It's not everybody that can pay. We have people that are just coming into design, people that even want to learn design. They won't be able to use everybody that have that money to pay.
Yeah, true.
So at least let them use it, maybe like give them 1,000 credits, maybe 2-3 prompts per day, even ChatGPT to have like limits.
Free, yeah.
So at least they should have done that. Or they have their reason. Maybe we are not their target audience. Maybe you're America.
Broke people.
We are not their target audience. So.
No. But even I also think that if you are serious about what we're doing or serious about using Cloud Code, I think maybe it's something that you can.
You can be serious and not have money.
What are you be? What?
You can be serious. Okay, let's for example now I just finished university and I like design and
that's
I'm not making money. Hey, that's what I'm saying now.
I understand
need to involve them.
Yeah.
So they are serious too, but there's no money.
There's no money
to pay for
they need to be supported. That's why most of this Figma, Adobe, they have education package.
Exactly. Look at that's another handful for people.
That's something else that you can also look at.
And I know there are some boot camps too that give you educational access. So I don't know. I'm not sure if Claude Design have that. If they have educational package like Figma.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. So maybe it's something that they can consider. Maybe we should tag them.
I mean, that would be a good idea. Let them create something.
At least look at this part of
education.
The world. There are people that they are really
there are
like
limitations for them to
they like designs and they want to try out new things, but when they see payment, they say, well, I'm not doing it again. Let me leave it. That's where it stops, but they're actually interested in it.
Stuff.
So I think Figma make me.
Yeah. I use Figma make a lot anyway.
Yeah. And industry-wise, most companies use Figma for now, but I don't know if things will change. Yeah. So I think Figma still have, Lovable. And I noticed something, I think PMs use Lovable more.
Yeah, I have somebody that also uses Midjourney.
I've not tried Midjourney.
He's a brand designer. He uses Midjourney.
Okay, yeah, I think brand designer. Yeah, brand designer. You know someone, Justice is someone that he even is, I think it's Justice. It's from Justice, even saw Midjourney. Yeah, it was the one I saw him using it. And there was the project we were working on at that point. He was using it to generate like different design assets. Yeah, that made sense. So it was from Justice. So I know Justice is from that brand part. So
makes sense.
For we product designer, I think Figma is like our major.
Figma make, because isn't Figma?
Figma make for now. We don't even prototype like that. So
but sometimes I still do. Anyways, I still do
POC because if you have POC, proof of concept. Why am I doing
prototyping? Not the heavy prototyping anyway. If I want heavy prototype, then I take it to Figma.
I think on Figma now you can actually do like AI prototype where you to just help you arrange it. But what most people do is they click all the whole designs. Then there's a way you can now send it to make will now make it function.
Prototype.
Yeah. So we don't use that normal prototype. You know that prototype at that top right?
The normal prototype.
What I do now is I click on the design, send it to Figma make.
I still do the basic prototyping, but just low. Just moving from one place to another.
I think you should try that one. Select all the whole page, then send it to Figma make. It look very real. All those our normal input field, the overstate, all those things that we cannot do on prototype. Figma make will do it for you.
But there are things we can do.
We can find our way around it. But Figma made it very simple and seamless. Yeah,
makes sense.
We can do it on you can over and do all those states, but you to take more time. But now Figma make with prompts very fast.
Yeah, I remember those days. One of my bosses, he was part of my KPI that I had to prototype before Figma make. So it was a lot.
So you have to just I think at that time you have to do it to present and show
for presentation.
Yeah, for presentation.
They actually use my designs for external presentations. So I had to do a lot of prototyping.
Prototyping can be something else, but can be something. It's a different ball game. But if you are working in a very fast-paced environment, sometimes you just ignore. Like, let's just after the design, just arrange it very well and use annotations for engineers so that they know where this comes in, this goes out, and bam, you have your high fidelity ready for the engineers. So everything is shifting. New things are coming in. You just need to keep adopting.
Why we might be adopting her? Not over this hello.
All those people that are scared, I feel the reason why you are scared is because maybe you are not gingered.
I don't think
to learn new things. Or
I don't think people that know what they're doing are
just
not
want
scared.
to be using one thing forever.
No,
it doesn't work. I think any field you need to keep learning it. There are some fields, like for instance now, DevOps. You see them taking new exams every time.
And design is visual.
Yeah,
you have to improve.
You don't have that professional exam that you have to bring it together. It's you yourself that you have
your
to
portfolio. Your
portfolio, your skill, your experience.
Yeah,
that's before you. You don't have to write the professional exam. So you have to just level up. You have to level up. Okay. I will try Claude Design.
Yeah. I'm going to lay my hands on this.
I'll try it and see.
Let's see what
that is not free now.
We can even go and pay now. You don't like pay for stuff.
What is changing now? You have to pay.
Go and pay, my brother. Pay for it.
No, you have to pay. You don't have choice.
Pay for it.
I'll try it out and see it.
Yeah.
I think I've been seeing some reactions on Twitter, some community.
Yeah.
What do you funny reactions on things? There's one that I think you sent. We can read that one too.
Yeah, let's read some of them out.
Let's read and just react to it.
Yeah. So this guy said, what's the craziest thing you've built with Claude Design so far?
It was
hilarious. So let me take the question again. What's the craziest thing you've built with Claude Design so far? And somebody said, confident.
Confident to design more.
I think I like that actually. Like building my confidence.
Is that it? Like,
yeah, that's like building my confidence.
That's where you get all those kind of response. That place.
Okay. Another person said, it's the usage limits even with the max plan before I do something.
That was what we just spoke about.
Finished talking about. People are complaining.
This person even paid. Imagine, and he's still complaining.
He said it's on the max plan.
Max.
Yeah, max plan before I. Yeah.
See, wow. That's serious. They need to do more.
Yeah, somebody said the same thing. Actually, nothing. I hit the limit shortly after setting up the design system on Pro subscription.
Design system? Yeah. So that you can set up design system
on Claude.
Oh, that's nice. So that means person was using prompt to set up the design system. Then after, I get now. So is it that limit, is it for a month or is it per day? Is there
certain credits? Yeah, we need to set that.
So that's
we need to subscribe. Wow,
that's crazy.
Finance, please put that in our bucket list. We need. Let's see one more.
From people reaction, I saw some reactions on some community and like people already scared. But we were just dropping videos. Some guys, these content guys on YouTube that do tutorials how to quickly do this. They just do different prompts. I saw some crazy website designs that Claude did.
Somebody said
something else.
They designed a logo and the result looks like it cost $500,000.
Yeah, the Milan person is trying to hype his work. He's trying to hype his work.
Yeah.
But you know that some of these companies, they pay people to talk, like, they give positive reaction.
And mostly designers. Yes.
They pay them.
I don't think this, the X design space is as broad as the US and the UK. Yeah. Because if you follow these guys, they talk a lot more about AI tools, right? But I don't think X designers do that a lot. Like we post our works normally. They too they do the same, but
you're comparing like Nigeria X users with
other
our own. They are too competitive, and I think I don't know those guys on Twitter, those designers I don't know what to say.
They post their works often, and but they don't really talk about some of them are actually right. I know shout out to Mehdi Ajibade. I worked with Mehdi before. So he did something with Claude Code recently.
Collaboration. And then,
So I think he published it on X, I think on LinkedIn. Yeah, so but some of them do, or some don't. But if you compare the X space in Nigeria to US and UK, those guys talk about it a lot. Like the moment Claude launched, like because I'm part of some of those spaces, and then you just keep seeing
people reacting.
Yeah, people have done this, and
and they're always fast. When you do something like
it's part of the
3 hours, 4 hours, someone is already dropping content.
It was there I saw someone that did a social media banner with Claude Design and then added motion to it. Guy, it was fantastic. Like it was fantastic.
So marketing guys are eating good this period.
Yeah. So I think they do. Some of them pay, influencers to talk about it. Yeah. So, but it's not. I think there's something good.
No, I'm not saying it's bad though. It's very good.
People need to know more about it.
Influential marketing is very good.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, I think you've heard about Claude Design. We are also going to do more about research about Claude Design. So
just share.
I think people out there should also, do research, lay their hands on Claude Design, share your feedbacks. What do you think?
I think we can also look at the price. If it's not expensive, we can come and do something for you guys.
Yeah. You can, put it out there.
Yeah, we can also do like comparison with other AI and
let people use it.
Can use one episode to do that. If it's expensive, we will not show you people that don't have money. But if it's cheap, do like maybe one small plan.
Yeah,
we'll show everybody. We do like comparison. Maybe that episode will just be about
comparison.
Yeah.
All right, folks. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like all our videos.
Now, platform.
See you again on YouTube, the next episode.
TikTok, everywhere.
Thanks, Sean, for coming through.
Peace.
See you again. Bye.